Hi, I'm looking at a video here for how to subtract one fraction from another where you've got different denominators. Okay, so if we have a little look first of all at 5/8, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8, because it's 5 out of 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 5/8. But you're trying to take away 1/4 from that. Okay, and if you have a little look here at 1/4, you can see there we've got 1 out of 2, 3, 4. Okay, now at the moment they're different fractions and so you can't do it as they are. So what you need to do is to actually change this into a fraction with the same denominator if possible. So can we change this into 8s? Well, we can, because actually if we chop them into 8s like that, okay, you can see that we've got 2 pieces now instead of the 1, but we have to do that with all of them so we know what they are. So now you can see we've changed this into 2/8, and it's because we've doubled both parts, the numerator and the denominator. So now we're doing 5/8, take away 2/8, and if we get rid of 2/8 from those 5/8, you can see we've got 3/8 left. Okay, so that's 3/8. Okay, second one here, you can see that these fractions, we've got halves here and we've got thirds there. They don't match up at all like these ones do, so we need to change them both. Okay, so we need to look for a common denominator. So what numbers do 2 and 3 both divide into? Well, if we look for the next multiple of 3, next multiple of 3 is 6. So we could change them into 6 if this divides into 6 as well, which it does. So we're doing 1/2, look, and we want to take away 1/3 from it. So we're going to change them both into 6. So how many 2's make 6? It's 3. So we're going to change this into 6 by timesing them both by 3. 2 3's are 6 and 1 3 is 3. And you can see there that this half is indeed 1, 2, 3 out of 6. Now here we need to change this into 6's too by timesing it by 2. So 3 2's are 6. We need to double this as well. 1 2 is 2. And you can see here that this 1/3 that we had before is indeed 2/6. So we're doing 3/6 take away 2/6, which is 1/6. And if we did get rid of those 2, you can see that this was the last bit left, 1/6 left. Okay, I hope that's helped.